Most brand managers dread creative presentations. Why? Because they're not sure what to do, and they don't want to let that weakness show. You might even remember that same feeling from your own first months as an ABM. It isn't their fault. The skills they need simply aren't taught in school or at previous jobs. ABMs often aren't sure how to write an effective creative brief, let alone give useful feedback. So they copy what others have done before, even though it may not be ideal for the project. It's time to make a change. With training developed specifically for ABMs and brand managers of consumer goods companies. Our one-day workshop includes easy-to-use frameworks and templates that your team can use right away, with lots of case studies and hands-on practice to make it stick. By the end of the day, your brand team will know exactly how to write a clear and compelling brief, and exactly what to do in the creative presentation meeting, which means they generate better briefs, more effective refinements, and ultimately, creative that gets results. Your team will be able to pick up any creative project and run with it. You won't have to micromanage them or handle extensive rework, so there's less on your plate. So take the first step now and get your brand team their seats in this uniquely specialized workshop.